This is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, we will need to make sure that your tablet is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in the Opera query. Once any tab is found, you can open its app page and, tap at the install button. And now we will wait for a few brief moments for this app to get downloaded and installed respectively. So once the Opera is ready, you can go ahead and launch the app. In here, tap at the blue continue button, or actually it just sends you straight to the final page or final setup step, at which you can customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.